For the repair of pneumatics valves from Rexroth, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electro-pneumatic components and general cleanup of the unit. The pneumatic valves were overhauled with genuine repair kits. For testing, we use pressurized air. We connect the pneumatic valve to the air supply, position A, and to our control signal, position B. Once the air supply is opened, air flows through the valve as long as the control signal remains closed. When the control signal is activated, the airflow is blocked, and the air is expelled from the valve, position C. The same process is repeated and for the other valve. The next valve is equipped with a timer. When the air supply is connected to position A, the air slowly enters the interior of the valve and exits quickly. When the air supply is connected to position B, the air enters the valve quickly but exits slowly from the interior of the valve. No further test is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the pneumatic valves are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the client.